Are you looking to boost your career with sustainability credentials? Today, we'll dive into the top sustainability certifications that can help professionals stand out in 2025. Whether you're in business, engineering, or environmental management, these green credentials are essential to stay ahead in an eco-conscious world. So let's start with the first one. So first up, we have LEED. So LEED is a leadership in energy and environmental design certification. LEED is one of the most recognized green building certifications worldwide. If you work in construction, architecture, or urban planning, this certification helps demonstrate your expertise in sustainable building practices. Next is the ISO 14001. This international standard focuses on environmental management systems. Earning this certification proves your ability to manage environmental impact and meet global sustainability goals. This is perfect for those in environmental management and business operations. The third one is the B Corp Certification. So this is for businesses committed to social and environmental performance. This assesses your company's commitment to sustainability, ethics, and accountability. This is ideal for business owners and entrepreneurs who want to show they're making a positive impact on the planet. Next up, we have the Carbon Literacy Certification. So, this program teaches professionals to understand carbon emissions and how to reduce them. A great choice if you work in any field that's involved in carbon management, energy, or sustainability initiatives. And last but not the least, we have WELL AP. So the WELL accredited professional certification focuses on improving human health and well-being in built environments. If you're in architecture or real estate, this certification highlights your ability to create spaces that promote both sustainability and health. Are you ready to elevate your career with sustainability credentials? Then this five choices is the right one for you. You can choose one of these fives. There you have it, the five of the best sustainability certifications for professionals in 2025. Whether you're looking to advance your career or make a bigger impact on the planet, these certifications can help you stand out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on how to go green and grow your career.